This thing is going to kill me. It looks like a monster. If there's one thing that Mercedes and AMG can do for sure, it's coupes. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is crazy. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today you join me inside the awesome looking CLE53 AMG Coupe, and today we will be driving it. I promise you, Autobahn drives, and we'll be doing it today. This is it for the interior. If you want to watch the full interior walk around with the sound check, check the info box above. For now, before we start up the engine and start the drive, let me just show you the car from the outside. So here we go, that's how the car looks like, and I have to be honest, at this point, this looks so good. This is a CLE53 AMG. When you look at the car from the outside, you would say this thing is going to kill me. It looks like a monster. We have a wider body in the front and in the rear. Let me show you the rear. Exterior paint is called Graphite Grey Magno. Just look at this. Whoa. The only thing missing on this one is actually the V8, because it comes with the inline 6-cylinder producing 449 horsepower, 0 to 100 in 4.2 seconds if I'm not mistaken. Available both as a coupe and cabriolet. Here we have the coupe version, looking extremely sleek and extremely nice, and we will be driving it. So let's jump right inside and start to drive. Before I switch to the GoPro, guys, I have to start up. 3, 2, 1, listen. The startup is extremely lame. I have to be honest. The startup, it sounds like a CLE200. This doesn't sound like an AMG, but it's a 53, keep that in mind. Let's listen to the sound. Yeah, there's a rev limiter at 4,000 RPM. Sounds like a 53, it's totally okay. What do you guys think? Please leave it in the comment section below. For now, let's put on the seatbelts and let's switch to the GoPro. Let's go. Seatbelts on, starting the drive. We are starting right away in Sport Plus. Yeah, you even have race mode with a 53. That's crazy. 53 race modes. First time I see that, because normally all we had with the 53s was Sport Plus and that's it. And for the 63s exclusively we had the race mode, but with this one it's a bit different. Let's make our way towards the German Autobahn and let's unleash this beast before it actually gets completely dark. All right, entering the German Autobahn right here. All right, this is the unlimited. This is the no limit sign. 3, 2, 1, let's go. That's the limit. 280. That's about it. Breaking it down again. Here we are. So second Autobahn run for you. Let's get it on. Let me just put the engine information here. All right. We're almost there. Three, two, one, full throttle. that's about it, guys. 280 is a max speed for the CLE53. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is crazy. Full throttle. Breaking it down again. It's easy. Full throttle again. Let's go. Yeah, that's about it, guys. That's about it. Guys, that's about it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the drive with the all new CLE53 AMG. Let me just do a full stop here and show you the car from the outside again, especially from my favorite perspective, which is the rear. Here we go. This is the car from behind. I have to say, it's one of the best cars from AMG lately. If there's one thing that Mercedes and AMG can do for sure, it's coupes, most definitely. And I wonder, I mean, I've seen spy shots, development testing cars which have a quad exhaust tip, where I think the CLE will come as a V8, and I think it's even confirmed by AMG, where they said it's actually coming with a different engine setup, but can't wait to show you that. In total, the CLE53, in terms of look, in terms of interior quality, in terms of the way they build it and designed it, it's an excellent car. The 3-liter 6-cylinder is a great daily driver, but if you need power and performance, you need a V8. And also you need sound for this one. So if you want more sound, you have to tune it yourself. It's easily done, I guess, but the bass sound is pretty lame. In total, the car gets 7 and 8 out of 10 for me, just for the way it looks. The only thing that really bothers me with this one is the sound and the B-pillar. Let me show you. Mercedes coupes, when you put down the other window, there's no B-pillar. Right now it's a bit difficult to see, but anyways, there's a B-pillar which allows us to put both windows down and have a proper coupe feeling. Anyways, guys, how do you like today's drive? Hope you enjoyed. That's how the car looks from the outside, especially during the night. You know what it's actually shouting? It's just telling me to go for a second round. Just listen to it. Yes? Okay, let's go. No, I'm just joking. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.